Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disconnect Instagram account with Facebook. After you open your phone, all you have to do now, go to your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. Tap on this settings icon at the top. Under the settings icon, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this see more in account center, this one. After you open this section, all you have to do now, as you can see now, here is my Instagram account and my Facebook account are connected. If I tap on it, so as you can see now, here is my Instagram account and here is my Facebook account. So if I want to disconnect this account, all I have to do now, go back, scroll all the way to down and tap on this section where it says accounts. After you open this account, as you can see now, you can be able now to see an option where it says remove. So now all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this remove button before the account that you want to disconnect. So for me, I will just go and remove this account. So I'll just tap on this remove button. So scroll all the way, as you can see now, tap on this remove again. Tap on this continue. So tap on this yes remove. So as you can see now, it says you remove, that is the username of the account. Tap on this OK. So as you can see now, I remove the account. Now I disconnect my Instagram account with my Facebook account. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.